Hey, what do you reckon? Lift that big? I don't know. It's not really lifted though. So I'm concentrating at the moment on getting this rolling under its own steam. I've got the rear drive shaft in. I've got to refit the selectors before I can refit the front drive shaft. Well, I don't have to, but it's easier. I've still got to do all the dash reinstall. Shifters are back in place. So the goal here at the moment is just to get this thing so I can move it under its own steam. I've got both the drive shafts in, they're all done. I'm not going to bolt the sway bar up until I'm sure I've got everything done under here. Let's fire it up and see if the wheels start turning. Wheels aren't turning. I think the transfer case might be in neutral. Yeah, transfer case was in neutral. So we'll try that again. So we're in reverse and it doesn't want to start, so that's actually working. All right, in park. Yes. Engine starts. Okay, wheels are turning in drive. But I've got nothing in reverse. That's a problem. Nothing in reverse. Bugger. There's no reverse is a problem, but could be the fluid level. I'm not sure. Pull the dipstick and see what it's on it. Well, dipstick is actually dry. It's just very little bit on the bottom of it. Could be level. Maybe I should check it properly. There's very little bit on the bottom of the stick. With this transmission, I'm thinking there's a few different things that it could be. Going from the simplest is the fluid level. It could be that when I've had it up on the bench, I may have inadvertently disconnected the reverse solenoid. The reverse solenoid itself could be crook, or the guts of it has just shit itself and I'm up for a transmission swap out, which I've got another transmission and I know it's good. And if I need to, I can swap that out. Any suggestions? Drop us a comment, because I really don't want to go pulling this transmission out if I don't have to. All right, I'll just try that. Well, there's a damn sight more in there now than what was shown before. Still very low. Try that again. A few litres in it. Still showing very low. Let's see if it's making a difference. Wonder if it'll go into gear. Or into reverse at least. So that was the problem. Wheel turned in reverse, you beauty. Oh, I was shitting myself about having to do it, but the transmission change on this thing. I don't really want to do that. Fortunately now I don't. Big thanks to Hobbs, who commented about the kickdown cable, and he stated that I had it on the wrong spot, which I did. And let's see if we can see it. It actually goes in there as opposed to where I had it. Goes to the bottom, not to the top. Thanks, mate. Appreciate that. Here we are, we're stuck in air. Flying across the road just up ahead. Been here since 5:30 this morning. They publish a set of rules on their website, and when it comes to it, they change the rules to suit themselves. We've been denied access because we both run single axles in our trucks.
So what's the rule? Essentials only at the moment.
So how do you define an essential?
Well, is there anything that's important to carriers?
Our loads are coming. from the same depot going to the same places as trucks that have been led through.
What have you got?
Hey?
Cars.
Cars.
Cars. Yeah, I don't think they're sending them unless they're car carriers.
There we are.
We're car carriers.
Like not loading from here, going.
We go
over to,
loaded in Townsville,
Yeah.
going to Mackay.
Okay, well, to be honest, I really don't know.
So he's picking on the ones that have single axle.
I think so.
But on the website it said you have to be over 12 ton.
12 ton, yeah.
That's well over 12 ton.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm well over 12 tonne, you're well over 12 tonne.
I just hear what they talk about. And I try to avoid whatever as well.
They can joke just make up the rules as they take employees. There goes an airboat.
He's not over 12 ton.
Fun in the sun.
Oh, buckle, I'm so angry.
And it's now 7:15 a.m.
Sometimes violence is the answer, Benno.
Yeah, sometimes it is. They're letting trucks through with the same cargo from the same depot going to the same customer,
Yeah.
but we're not allowed through. These are not priority yet. Other cars are priority because why?
This Prado is less essential than a exact same Prado on a 7-car carrier.
Yeah,
Riddle me that.
fucking ridiculous.
Anyway, now we're going through. Yee.
Yay. Give us a fair push. Oh, that was fun.
onto Bower Street.